Student, this is Shatan sir, and today we are going to discuss the most important part of matrix, adjoint of matrix. This is the most useful formula for class 12 student, JEE, IIT, BSc Honors Pass, MSc as well as NET set. Now at first we have to know what is a adjoint of matrix. Let A is equal to small aij be a square of matrix, and let capital Aij be the cofactor of small aij. Then in det A, the transpose of the matrix Aij is said to be adjoint of A and is denoted by adjoint A. Now we have to know some important properties. Here is the first properties. Adjoint of A transpose equal to adjoint A whole transpose. This is the main property and first property. Property number 2, if A be an n cross n matrix, then C be a scalar, then adjoint of C into A is equal to C to the power n minus 1. If it is m cross n matrix, then the formula will be m minus 1 into adjoint A. Now formula number 3, if A be a n cross n matrix, then A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A is equal to det of A into In. In is the identity matrix. Now goes to formula number 4. Here is the formula number 4. Adjoint A whole inverse equal to A inverse adjoint. Okay, adjoint A whole inverse equal to adjoint of A inverse equal to A by det A. A by det A. Next formula, formula number 5. Adjoint of adjoint A, adjoint of adjoint A equal to det A whole to the power n minus 2 into A. This 3 formula, 5, 6 and 7 are the most important formula. Adjoint of adjoint A is equal to det A whole to the power n minus 2 into A. Next formula number 6. Det of adjoint A. Det of adjoint A is equal to det A whole to the power n minus 1. And formula number 7 is det of adjoint of adjoint A. Det of adjoint A is equal to det A whole to the power n minus 2 whole square. So these 3 formula are the most important formula. That's all for today. But if you want to download the PDF of this formula, then go to the description box and you will get the downloading link. Okay, bye everyone.